Hello students, today we are going to start with our second chapter, Is Matter Around Us Pure? In the first chapter we have studied that matter and its classification as solid, liquid and gas on the basis of physical properties. Now the matter around us is divided into two types. That is the solid, liquid, gas which we are seeing. They are actually divided into two types. Pure substances and impure substances. So matter has been divided into two types, pure substances and impure substances. The question arises, what are pure substances? Pure substances, it is defined as a substance which contain only one kind of atom or molecule. Once again, we'll go with the definition. It is defined as a substance which contains only one kind of atom or molecule are called pure substances. This pure substance has been divided into two, elements and compound. A pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom are called as elements. A pure substance which is made up of only one kind of molecule is called as compound. Example, iron, of elements, iron, gold, silver, sodium, copper, aluminium. These are the examples of element. Have you seen gold, gold ring? This gold ring is made up of only one kind of atoms, that is gold atoms. Water, the water which you drink, it is a pure substance because it is made up of only hydrogen and oxygen. For example, the formula of water is H2O. So it is made up of only hydrogen and oxygen atom. Two hydrogen atoms combine with one single oxygen atom to form H2O. So it is a pure substance. Okay, now what is compound? A pure substance is which is made up of only one kind of molecule, like water. Water, this is a molecule. Gold is made up of only gold atoms. Silver is made up of only silver atoms. Two or more atoms when combined together they form a molecule, like common salt, sodium chloride. Two atoms combine together to form a molecule, that is a compound. Okay, now elements and compounds are clear. Elements, they are made up of single atoms, whereas the compound, two or more atoms combine together to form a molecule or a compound. Okay, example, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas, they are compound. We take them into the category of compound. Clear? See, matter has been divided into pure substances and impure substances. Pure substances are again divided into elements and compounds. What are elements? They are made up of only one kind of atom. Compounds, they are made up of only one kind of molecule. Now, moving on to the impure substances. Impure substances, it is defined as a substance which contains two or more different kinds of particle or atom or molecule which do not react chemically but physically mix together in any proportion. For example, take sugar, add salt to it, add water to it. See, this is called as mixture. It is impure substances because three pure substances are mixed together to form an impure substance, that is called as mixture. Again, we'll go with the definition. It is defined as a substance which contain two or more different kind of particles. See, sugar and water, two or more different kind of particles, that is atoms or molecule, anything, which do not react chemically. They are not reacting chemically. They are physically reacting. Take sugar, mix it with the salt, then add water to it. We are making it react physically, not chemically, but are physically mixed together in any proportion. Like example, salt solution, sea water, sugar solution. Okay, take water, mix oil into it, that is mixture, that is impure substance. Take water, mix sand into it, that is impure substance. So impure substance, so mixtures are impure substances. The mixtures are impure substances. Again, matter is divided into two, pure substances and impure substance. Pure substances are divided into two, elements and compounds. Impure substances are also called as mixtures. These mixtures are classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Let us see what is mixture. It is defined as a substance which consists of two or more pure substances, that is element or compounds, which are not chemically combined but physically mixed in any proportion. Same definition of impure substance you can write for the mixtures. Example, sugar solution, sea water, soil, soft drinks. The soft drinks which you drink, they are also mixtures. Blood, salt solution, they are mixtures. Mixtures are divided into two types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. What are homogeneous mixtures? Homogeneous mixture, a mixture is said to be homogeneous if all the components of the mixture are uniformly mixed and there are no boundaries of separation between them. Suppose if you make salt solution, salt plus water, it forms salt solution. In the salt solution, when you mix the salt, it is uniformly mixed. If I take 100 ml of water and add 4 spoons of salt to it, add the 100 ml water into three equal parts. The quantity of the salt will be same in all the three because it was uniformly mixed. And there is no boundary of separation between them. It means that in the salt solution, can you see the salt separately or water separately? No. If there is no boundary of separation between them, they are called as homogeneous mixture. Example, sugar solution. Air is a homogeneous mixture. Air contains different gases like hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Many gases mixed together to form air. Dust particles, smoke particles. So it is a homogeneous mixture because we are not seeing the boundaries of different gases. Alloys are homogeneous mixture like stainless steel. The plate which is made up of stainless steel in which you eat. Can you see? Metals, they are different metals. When we combine together, they form alloy. Can you see the different metals? No. So it is a homogeneous mixture. Similarly, solution of alcohol. Take alcohol and add water to it. Will the alcohol mix in the water? Yes. So it is a homogeneous mixture. Common salt solution, sea water, soft drinks, they all come under homogeneous mixture. Then what is heterogeneous mixture? The opposite of homogeneous mixture is heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if all the components of the mixtures are not thoroughly mixed. There are visible boundaries of separation between them. Suppose, take sugar and sand, mix together. You will see the boundaries. Take oil and water, mix together. You will see the boundaries. They are not thoroughly mixed. Take iron, take sulfur, mix it. You can see iron and sulfur. So that is heterogeneous mixture. Now what are the properties of mixture? A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. The composition of mixture is variable. You can change their composition. Like take 100 ml of water, add one spoon of sugar to it. It will become sugar solution. Take another 100 ml of water, add 4 spoons of sugar. It is also a sugar solution. So the composition of mixture is variable. You can change the composition. A mixture do not have fixed melting point or boiling point. So sugar solution, salt solution, they doesn't have the fixed melting point and boiling point. Energy is neither absorbed nor evolved during the formation of mixture. See, when you make sugar solution, will the energy is absorbed? Are you giving the heat or is it releasing the heat? No. So energy is neither absorbed nor evolved during the formation of mixture. The properties of the mixtures are the properties of its constituents. Means, suppose if you have taken the sugar solution, this sugar solution will contain the properties of sugar also, will contain the properties of water also. The constituent of the mixtures can be separated by any physical method. So by using the physical method, you can separate them, like evaporation. Okay, like evaporation, you can separate sugar and water. Different techniques can be separated. Okay, magnetic separation, we have many techniques we have through the physical methods. Now we are going with the in-text question which is present on the page 15. What is meant by substance? That is, what is meant by pure substance? A pure substance means that it contains only one kind of matter, that is one kind of either atom or molecule. Example, sugar, water, carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, anything you can write. This is substance, means pure substance. You have to write the definition of pure substance. List the point difference between the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. What is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? So homogeneous, the composition of homogeneous mixture is same throughout. The composition of heterogeneous mixture is not same throughout. Homogeneous mixture has no distinct boundaries, that is, it consists of only one single phase. No boundaries can be seen in homogeneous, but in heterogeneous you can see the boundaries of separation between the two phases. Example, sugar solution, salt solution, alloy. Example of heterogeneous, oil and water, sand and water, sugar and sand, petrol and oil, anything you can take. So today I am going to end our session till here. Thank you.